cute. I shop it. And I shopping this cutie baby orange. See? And the mama, I go here. Let us say, I thought, I get it in a tumbler. Sure, they
Now it's done. And we have a Barbie here.
Oh, that's fine.
Let's try if it can hold it.
This.
If Barbie can hold it. Apparently, Barbie can hold it. Look. She can barely hold it.
Or the Elsa, you
You don't got it.
I would shopping too.
There we go. Now you can actually have a chance to either break the bag or get it to Barbie's arm. See it?
And she's a buy for me. This orange for cute
I'm done shopping.
And me too. I get Barbie as the orange.